Take our seats. Your Excellencies, with your permission, allow me to now welcome Andrea Arik, Deputy Secretary General, East Africa Community, to take over and guide the program. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, CGH, President of the Republic of Kenya, Chairperson of EAC Summit of Head of State, and Co-Chair of this meeting. Your Excellency, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Chairperson of SADC, and Chair of this meeting. Excellencies, members of EAC SADC, panel of facilitators on the restoration of peace and stability in Eastern DRC. Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, former President of the Republic of Kenya. Excellency Mokgweetsi Masisi, former President of the Republic of Botswana. Excellency Catherine Samba Panza, former interim President of Central African Republic. Excellency Saleh Wak Zewde, former President of Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Your Excellencies, Mahmoud Ali Yusuf, Chairperson of AU Commission. Your Excellency, Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, EGH, Prime Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, Republic of Kenya. Excellency, Professor Amon Morere, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, Republic of Zimbabwe, Chairperson of SADC Council of Ministers. Your Excellency, Professor Robert Dosey, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Regional Integration and Togolese Abroad, Republic of Togo. Honorable Beatrice Askul Moy, Minister of East Africa Community, ASEL and Regional Development, Republic of Kenya, and Chair of EAC Council of Ministers. Your Excellency, Olivier Jean Patrick, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, Republic of Rwanda. Honorable Soipan Tuya, Minister of Defense, Republic of Kenya, and Honorable Veronica Dufa, Secretary General of EAC. Honorable Elias Makosi, Executive Secretary of SADC. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, all other protocols observed. It is my honor and pleasure to welcome you to this joint EAC SADC co-chairs meeting with the panel of facilitators. My name is Andrea Arik, Deputy Secretary General of EAC in charge of infrastructure, productive, social, and political sectors. I will be your Director of Ceremony. To this juncture, Your Excellencies, allow me to invite Honorable Veronica Duva, the Secretary General of EAC, to make her welcoming remarks. Honorable Secretary General, you are welcome.
Thank you. With your permission, Excellencies, I proceed. Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Chairperson of EAC Summit of Heads of State, and our host for today, Your Excellency Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Chairperson of SADC and Co-Chair of this meeting. Excellencies, former Presidents of the Republic of Kenya, Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, of the Republic of Botswana, Excellency Mokgweetsi Masisi, from the Republic of Central African Republic, Excellency Catherine Samba Panza, and former President, Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Her Excellency Saleh Work Zede, Excellency Mahamoud Ali Yusuf, Chair of the African Union Commission, Excellencies, Ministers of Foreign Affairs here present, Professor Amon Muriwa, Professor Robert Dusi, Honorable Olivier Nduhungirehe, Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, Ministers present and Chair of Council, Honorable Beatrice Askul Moy, Honorable Soipantia, Minister of Defense Kenya, my colleague, Honorable Elias Magosi, Executive Secretary of SADC, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, observing all protocols, good afternoon. At the outset, allow me to warmly welcome you all to the East African community, and more specifically to Nairobi, a city renowned for its dynamism, resilience, and warm hospitality. We take the opportunity to celebrate Kenya for opening up to African countries visa-free. I wish to express our sincere appreciation to the chairperson of the EAC Summit of Heads of State, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for graciously hosting this important summit and for the excellent arrangements and hospitality extended to all delegations. Our gratitude equally goes to the co-chair, His Excellency Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, for his presence and continued commitment to peace efforts in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. I also wish to extend heartfelt thanks to the distinguished panel of facilitators, the leadership of the African Union Commission, and the AU-appointed mediator for honoring this invitation and for their timeless dedication to the cause of peace in Eastern DRC. Your Excellencies, as you may recall, during the second joint meeting of the EAC and SADC heads of state and government held virtually on 24th March 2025, you took a historic step by appointing a panel of facilitators for the Eastern DRC security restoration process. You also designated the co-chairs of EAC and SADC along with the African Union Commission to brief the panel on their mandate. In the months since, technical teams from the EAC, SADC, and AU, under the joint guidance of our institutions, have worked diligently to prepare a set of foundational documents to underpin the facilitation process. These tools are now ready and will be presented to this summit for your consideration, to this meeting for your consideration and further guidance. Excellencies, the EAC and SADC secretariats, in close partnership with the African Union Commission, stand ready to provide full technical and logistical support to the facilitation process. We look to this meeting to address key outstanding issues. Your Excellencies, we remain at your full disposal to support all aspects of this initiative, and we are confident that today will mark a critical turning point towards lasting peace in Eastern DRC and the wider region. I thank you for your kind attention, Excellencies.
Thank you so much.